everything about UBC has been incredible. So thank you guys so much.
This is UBC!
For the fight of my life, hit my knees and I strap on my gloves.
I literally told my husband, oh my God, that could be a life-changing opportunity.
This for the ones who've been stuck in the mud, searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in
The
my
value y'all put on this event today was priceless.
All right, guys. We're here, a day in the life with Dray and Jazz. We invited 8 people to spend the entire day with us so that they can see exactly how we operate in our business, with content down to how we think throughout the day. And we got them a little something.
We got a lot of packages here, guys, okay? We ordered a bunch of stuff. We're gonna do little goodie bags and we're gonna give them tonight at dinner. So we got little cute stuff for them, for the guys and the girls. And then we also got a big old bag of merch.
It's something new that we've been thinking of for the community. They've been asking for some merch they want to represent. So we got them little...
We got these little shirts for the ladies.
Yeah, for the ladies, crop tops.
Like a longer crop top. For the men, we got these shirts right here. I love the wash. And we really went through finding a bunch of vendors so we could find something that's actually really good quality. Even the sweater, it's actually...
Yeah, we went above and beyond to get the very best. Like, I love wearing quality clothes, so I know that UBC will appreciate these quality clothes. And so these are little snippets of what we have coming for UBC merch. And we thought we would introduce it to our 8 UBC members.
So I'm gonna wear mine today. Jazz is wearing her sweatsuit. I'm gonna wear the men's tee, you know, because I like an oversized fit. And we are gonna be launching this merch at UBC's first official in-person event, which is gonna be later this summer. So this is like a little snippet. Like, if you enjoy today, spending a day with Jazz and Dray, you're gonna love the event UBC World, which is coming in August. So come along with us, spend the day with our community. We're so excited. Everything is paid for today for them, so they literally just have to show up. We booked a studio, we're gonna take some good content, we're gonna strategize, we're gonna give them value, we're gonna give them tips. And so this is our first mini event leading up to UBC World, which is gonna be in August.
So stay tuned.
Let's open up some of these packages for them. Let's see what we got.
We got a lot.
Okay, for the ladies, we have these sheet masks. Cute little sheet masks. What else we got? Ooh, I forgot about this. My favorite lip glosses, okay?
Oh yeah. These are the thank you cards. We're gonna write little specific things in there for them.
Shout out to the admins for placing all these orders.
Yeah, for organizing all of this.
We got these cute little pink notebooks for the ladies.
Scrunchies. So this is for the men. We got them little notepads.
And these air fresheners, money air fresheners for their cars. I love these, they're so cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
Right? And you know how we got the face mask for the girlies? We gotta have a bro mask for the dudes. So this is like literally a men's mask. I think it comes with a bunch, it comes with a bunch in there. So they're each gonna get a men's mask.
So nice.
I think they're gonna laugh at this because it says bro mask.
Is this like a wallet?
Yeah, a little wallet for the men.
Oh, little wallets for them. We're spoiling them. What can I say?
I forgot what this is. Oh yeah, a little makeup brush set, like a travel kit. Look how cute and pink. I'm obsessed.
We got some hand creams.
We got all those for the ladies.
And then we also got them, this is like my favorite thing. I use this for my business all the time.
Yes,
oh my God. Holder. So when you're talking like to your audience, you just put your phone here. You start talking to your audience without you having to hold your phone, so.
Even sometimes when I'm working, like on my laptop, I'll have this on the side so as the notifications come in. Yeah. This is a good one. It has like a little grippy on it. Oh, a little lip liner for the ladies as well from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Hydrogel eye patches. I actually really like hydrogel. I use it for a funny thing. I use it for my blisters on my heels. There's these like hydrogel patches. They're meant for burns and they help protect against blisters. They're amazing. All right, so you've seen it here, okay? The counter is full. We're excited to pack these up. They don't know anything about it yet, but I'm sure they're gonna be excited to open these up later tonight at dinner.
I love it.
We're going to dinner in our favorite place. So
yeah, I'm excited. Let's have a productive day so that you guys can see how we do content and with 8 people, and it's gonna be such a vibe. And like she said, this is just a little snippet of how the UBC World in-person event is gonna go. This is only with 8 people. Like imagine hundreds of people in a room, but we just wanted to show you guys how we're gonna show up for our community starting today. So
we're so excited. Spend a day with Jazz and Dray.
Right here. How are you? excited. Hello, hello, hi guys. Hi.
Hello, we are here.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna take some good photos of you, some little videos so you have.
That's crazy.
Wait, Boston, and then where were you from?
Orlando.
Orlando. That's not too far, like 3 hours.
Yeah.
That's where our event's gonna be.
Yeah.
I saw, yeah.
Yeah.
Right in your backyard.
Okay, so who prepped their content? You guys kind of like.
To do as a girl.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I love that.
Oh yes. Oh, I love it because it's a trend.
Make it to the top, just to see how hard they drop. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Had to make it to the top, just to see how hard they drop. Yeah, whoa. Had to make it to the top, just to see how hard they drop. Yeah, whoa. Had to make it to the top.
We are headed to dinner with the team with 8 lucky members. We just finished the most amazing content. And then we just put the little baggies together and we're going to Dray's favorite.
Why you always say Dre's like you don't like it? She literally goes there with me every week.
Not every week, but
They literally know us. They know us. They give us free dessert. I don't think they're gonna give us free dessert today because you're a lot of people. But every time we go there, they give us free dessert because we are regulars. I go like 2 to 3 times a week. I usually go like once a week with her. We're like, let's walk there, eat, walk back.
and we're gonna do a little Q&A session with the team. And I'm excited to honestly give them the gifts. Actually, we got a lot.
I'm excited to eat with them, break bread with them, talk,
Yeah.
connect.
I'm about to step in the ring for the fight of my life. Hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7. And thing is, I'm already covered in blood. Walking in love. This for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the road. Can't wait to look in his eyes. All of my life I've been battling lies.
Oh, you got a different one. Let's see what you got.
This for the ones who've been stuck in the mud. Searching for hope. Trust me, I know what it feel like to drown in my problems. But God came and threw me the road. Can't wait.
First and foremost, thank you so much for like hosting us. Like for me, this has been incredible. This morning when I woke up, I visualized my day and you guys like literally surpassed my expectations. Not that like I had like these crazy expectations, but I literally visualized like, okay, I'm gonna go there. Like I know I'm gonna have a ton of questions and I'm gonna just like pick your guys' brains and just like try to make the best of it, and you guys like literally surpassed all my expectations. I'm so glad to be part of this community. I think everyone's incredible. And I'm just really excited for like what I have to do like next, you know, and like to grow with this community.
Yeah.
So I just like, I love you guys. I think this is like so incredible, and you guys are changing so many people's lives. You guys have no idea, like literally. So you guys need to give you guys yourselves a round of applause. So thank you again.
You girls are amazing. Definitely, outdid yourselves. Like I had kind of like an idea based on the rundown that they gave us of what to expect, but this was like beyond. And I'm so grateful to you for creating UBC, for doing this for all of us. Like seriously, it has really been, at least for me, and I don't know if anybody can relate, a life-changing experience, and I really appreciate it.
I'm Tim Gallardo.
My name is Nicole.
My name is Aziel.
My name is Clarissa.
Hi guys, my name is Eliana.
My name is Nini Gutierrez.
My name is Michael Robena.
I've signed on with UBC to help strengthen my brand and build an infectious brand. What was it like to see Jazz and Dray in person rather than behind a computer screen? It was freaking amazing. So the energy that they pour out through the computer is infectious, and it's already helped me so much and a wealth of knowledge. But being in person was just leveled up, high octane.
It's so unreal to see these people on webinars and live chats. Like everyone wants to meet them and stuff, but me meeting them makes me realize that they're like literally so humble people. They're very intelligent.
They know what they're doing and they're giving really good advice to me as a young person in their 20s.
I love the opportunity to mingle that one-on-one and ask questions more in an intimate setting.
The day with them has been so eventful, from everything from like beginning to end.
I wouldn't have picked any other mentor besides these two girls.
It was really, really cool to get to sit and just have a face-to-face, authentic, deep conversation about my brand, answering my questions, and what I need to do to take the next right steps. For everybody who wasn't able to make it here to this event, missed out on life-changing, amazing experience, definitely need to be here for the next one. I couldn't recommend any more to want to get down here and learn from the best in the business to build an infectious brand.
So I was expecting the content studio, the mingling with the girls, but not to the level that we have experienced. That one-on-one, Jazz and Dray, they're so cool, so down to earth.
For guys that are hearing me out there, give UBC a shot. These are wonderful women. They've taught me so much about myself.
The content day was just amazing. Everybody just made you feel so comfortable and welcome. And
wow, I had a lot of takeaways today, talking to Jazz. With my content and just like pivoting and stuff like that. One of my biggest takeaways was I could be creating my content like the transformational content, because I love the wealth niche, but I also love health and fitness. So I can merge towards the transformation and show people how I do both. And another one was that I was feeling stuck in my content and not really feeling too creative. So seeing Jazz and Dray in person was like a really cool moment, because now I'm not seeing them behind the computer, I'm seeing them in real life, and there's just something about that in person. The energy, you get to feed off of their energy. You get to see how they move, how they express themselves, and I'm all about your circle of proximity. And so it just motivates me, right? It motivates me and it fires me up to get out and start creating content and getting back to work. The opportunity to really feel the UBC community in person, to network with Jazz and Dray, to have an aha moment that can potentially change your life. Because before coming to the event, before even being selected as one of the winners, I literally told my husband, oh my God, that could be a life-changing opportunity. And that's exactly what it has been, because for some time, I was circling around in my content, feeling stuck, when in reality, I just needed to have that mindset shift, right, when it comes to my content.
The one golden nugget I would take to apply to my business is just bet on yourself and go all in on yourself. And don't let anything hold you back, you know? No matter what this one says, bet on yourself and don't listen to anybody else but you. The value I would put on this event today was priceless, because everything I've learned and I'm taking in today is really gonna make me better as a man and as an entrepreneur myself, you know. And after this day forward, I'm going all in on my personal brand, and I can't wait for them to see me on the big stage like them one day. So.
I'm a dental assistant from Naples, Florida, but I recently started getting into digital marketing because this is where I want to go. So this was a lot more interaction than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like a quick little Zoom call. I did not think I was actually going to see them in person. It's so unreal that these people are literally just regular people like us. Started from nothing and now are giving us advice to receive the same amount of love and views and everything that they've received. My big takeaway from this was to always be yourself, always post content no matter how it is, because the right people will attract to you. And that no matter what, they're always a friend. If you need any help or anything, they're always there. And you have a bigger community of people that I just met that I can literally call my friends now. Just be yourself and just post your content. Do not be afraid to post anything. I can start, everyone can. Guys, let me tell you, they do have an event coming on August. You guys do want to come. You are gonna learn so much from it, not from just Jazz and Dray, but so many more. You're gonna literally get so much intake. I learned how to post content. I learned how to actually find my actual environment and how the lighting is supposed to be, how to do my speech, how to do my script, how to talk and what to dress. Like, you learn so much just from seeing them for a good day, and your life changed overall. Because I know that 9 to 5 is not working.
I do digital marketing part-time. I've been doing it for about 1.5 years now, and I've made over $95,000 doing it. $40,000 of that was with UBC alone. It has exceeded my expectations. Everything was so thought out. The dinner has been absolutely amazing. Dray and Jasmine have been amazing. The energy, you feel that energy, and that is why I just love UBC and what they stand for is just like no other out there. Literally, when I bought UBC, it had changed my life. I went from like 0 to 60 in my business. When I made my first $40,000 with UBC, I was honestly in shock. And it's all because of what you put your heart and soul into this course and educating us with the energy and just the fun and just everything about UBC has been incredible. So thank you guys so much.
I'm in the group UBC Spanish. I teach the people how to become an author bestseller because I have my own publisher. I came to this event with my big dream to know Jazz and Dray. I received, of course, more than that. One of the things I'm going to start doing, and it's the advice for Dray and Jazz today, is talking more to the camera and my audience. It's beautiful to be here. I'm feeling so lucky and special, and they make everybody special with the gifts, with everything they do. Really, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Jazz and Dray.
So actually I was blown away. I think that the girls are incredible. They both bring two different things to the table. I have just gained so much knowledge. I've been asking a ton of questions. They surpassed my expectations. Just continue to be authentic, continue to share my story, continue to just believe in my message, and just hold on that, because honestly there's more women like me that need to hear about my story. So I'm just so grateful to be here, and I'm so grateful to be part of this community that actually cares and really encourages their students to really go after their goals. I'm blown away, honestly.
Only way to get up high is if you get down low, ayy. Had to make it to the top just to see how hard it drops. Yeah, whoa, yeah. Had to make it to the top just to see how hard it drops. Yeah, whoa. Had to make it to the top just to see how hard it drops. Yeah, whoa.
Sometimes I get used to my own knowledge and I feel like it's like, okay, this is old knowledge, everyone heard it, and then like meeting you guys, it's like, wow, everyone comes from different backgrounds and experiences, and it just gives me creative ideas on how I can help more people.
I stay clear where the sin is, cause I know that's where many other things be. Try to keep a low profile, head stay straight, don't worry about a profile.